Hello everyone. In this video, we will explain the steps for metadata migration with conemis Transition Cloud. Let's go through the process of harmonizing data models together. In the demo, we will use Salesforce Sales Cloud as the source system and Salesforce Financial Services Cloud as the target system. With conemis Transition Cloud, you can migrate objects and fields along with their attributes, such as default values, required field settings, and pick list values. We start by logging into conemis Transition Cloud. After logging in, the track selection screen will appear. Make sure that you are in the right project, then select a track. This will display all major steps in the conemis process. If only one track is available for you, the selection screen will not be shown, and you will be taken directly to this screen. As a first step, we need to define the scope. This scope will be used for metadata migration, also called metadata transfer. So we select Source System Assessment. Scroll down to the object list. If no objects are displayed, please check the How to video on Application Assessment linked in the video description to fill the list. In the object list, mark the objects to be migrated as relevant. In this example, we select Account, Contact, and a custom member card object. This is how quickly you can define your migration scope. Next, let's move on to matching the source scope against the destination system. This way, we can easily identify the common parts of both data models and reveal the gaps in the destination. Let's move to the process flow and select the metadata transfer feature. The objects selected earlier will appear in the source scope section on the left side of the screen. Matching can be done automatically or manually. For auto matching, click the Auto Match button in the center of the screen. This will match objects, fields, and pick list values based on conemis standard logic. If you want to use AI in the matching, click the star icon at the top of the transfer section, select the AI model you want to use, and press the Start button. For manual matching, click the arrow next to the source object. Select the target object and press the Save Transfer button. Clicking the newly created object transfer will allow you to map individual fields within it. Turn on the toggle for the fields you want to transfer and set the label, API name, data type, and other attributes. Even if you use auto matching, you can make adjustments in the same way. The created matchings are saved in a transfer set. You can create a new transfer set to build different matchings without overwriting the existing ones. Once the matching is complete, we deploy the metadata. Click the play button next to the object mapping, then press Start Transfer to begin the metadata migration. You can also migrate all objects and their fields in the transfer set at once by clicking the play button at the top of the transfer section. Once deployment begins, the job execution status is displayed in real time. If any errors occur, download the log file to check the details. The migration is now complete. Let's check the target system. In the account object, new custom fields have been created. Looking at the contact object, we can see that fields have also been migrated here. Also, a custom object member card has been generated with its fields. This concludes the metadata migration process. For more detailed information, visit the conemis Cares site by clicking the question icon in the upper right corner of conemis Transition Cloud or check the link in the video description. Thank you for watching. Interested in a personalized demo? Contact us through our website to schedule a session. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to learn how conemis automates complex data migrations, reducing manual effort and minimizing risks.